I got a lot of knives, and a lot of them are very, very important to me for specific reasons. But this is like the pinnacle of everything I've ever wanted, and I have it. And sorry, I got some schmutz in the pivots from these things being in my leather holsters. So we'll do it with the Rebola, since that's something I really want you guys to see. Enoch, Greg, Magic Stillo, you fucking guys, man. Miss talking to you. And I hope you guys are doing good. But rest of my subscribers, love you guys. If you can't do something, keep trying. It will always benefit you to try versus give up. This is something I was afraid to flip. Not because, it shouldn't be flipped. It's a great knife. But it's very sharp. It's not about these things breaking. It's about me breaking. But I've already broke, so why not just try? Go for broke, That's what I would recommend. And this will screw you up if you don't get it right. That's life.